Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Joy. You look quite eager today. What's on your mind?
Sir, I want to improve my English pronunciation and accent. I feel like people sometimes struggle to understand me. Can you help?
Of course, Joy. Pronunciation and accent are key parts of effective communication. Let's start with this. Do you know the difference between pronunciation and accent?
I think pronunciation is about saying the words correctly, and accent is about how you sound when you speak. Am I right?
Absolutely correct. Pronunciation focuses on clarity, while an accent is influenced by your region or background. Both are important, but clarity always comes first.
So, how do I work on my pronunciation?
Start with the sounds of English. Learn to pronounce each vowel and consonant correctly. Pay attention to tricky sounds like th in think or s and z in ice and zoo.
Oh, I do struggle with th sometimes. It feels awkward.
That's common. Try placing your tongue gently between your teeth and blowing air to produce the th sound. Practice with words like think, thank, and throw.
Repeating think, throw, I'll keep practicing that. What about the accent part?
For accent, exposure is key. Listen to native speakers through podcasts, movies, or YouTube videos. Focus on how they stress certain words and their intonation patterns.
Should I try to copy their accent exactly?
Not necessarily. The goal isn't to lose your identity, but to make your speech clear and pleasant. Neutral accents are easier to understand worldwide.
How do I practice stress and intonation?
Read aloud every day. Focus on where the speaker emphasizes words and sentences. For instance, say, "I didn't say he stole the money," and emphasize each word differently.
That's a fun exercise. Are there any tools I can use?
Yes! Use apps like Google Translate or English to hear correct pronunciations. Also, record yourself speaking and compare it to native speakers.
Recording myself? That's a great idea. But what if I still feel nervous while speaking?
Don't worry about being perfect. Speak slowly, clearly, and confidently. Nervousness decreases with practice. Remember, making mistakes is part of learning.
Thank you, sir. I'll try all these methods. Any final tips?
Yes! Consistency is everything. Dedicate at least 15 minutes daily to practice. Over time, you'll notice a big improvement.
I'll do that, sir. Thank you so much for guiding me.
You're welcome, Joy. Keep practicing, and soon you'll speak English with confidence and clarity.